Actually.
Actually.
Actually? Oh God. Actually, what if they're right?
Look, I know you're a busy guy.
Actually, I am a busy guy. I live a very...
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
That is?
Mr. Peanut Butter?
Yeah, he was on that show, Mr. Peanut Butter's House. Yes, please leave.
How are you, Mr. Peanut Butter?
Pressure.
Pressure.
Literally nothing in a year and a half.
It's too much pressure.
And have a nice, casual conversation in a fun, pressure-free environment.
Episode.
Episode.
The two of us in the same house? Is this a crossover episode?
Oh, BoJack's been...
Hey, how many times have you watched this episode?
Respect.
Respect.
Officer, I was running away from my girlfriend, whom I don't respect enough to have a baby with. Have any fun?
No one's gonna believe it.
Damn it, can't you respect a dying man's wish?
You're
Commitment.
Commitment.
Commit to things all the time. It's the following through on that commitment.
The horse from horsing around?
Oh, face it, you're afraid of commitment.
Headline.
Headline.
What were we talking about?
I can see the headline now. Stupid BoJack. Yeah, technically I was dumped, but the real headline of the evening was Dumb Guy Eat...
Probably.
Probably.
This lady probably thinks I'm just some dumb sitcom. Oh, okay, yeah.
I'm probably just overthinking it because I know.
Responsible.
Responsible.
I'm responsible for my own happiness. I can't even be responsible for my own breakfast.
Because you can pretty much do anything you want. You're responsible for your own happiness, you know?
Nailing.
Nailing.
Or am I nailing this interview? I kind of feel like I'm nailing it.
You're drunk right now?
Is it just me, or am I nailing this interview? I kind of feel like...
Alternative.
Alternative.
Troubled gay teen or something. I didn't realize by alternative lifestyle that you meant... You told me they didn't approve of your alternative lifestyle. Thought you were like a...
Thought.
Thought.
Alternative lifestyle. Thought you were like a troubled gay teen.
Last time you saw a book.
I thought I saw someone reading one in the park.
Considered.
Considered.
He was a real actor and he considered it beneath him.